Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Pycharm, two of the most popular development environments for Python. We'll explore their core functionalities, key differences, and help you decide which one might be a better fit for your coding needs. Both offer excellent features, but they cater to slightly different workflows and preferences. Let's dive into what makes each of them stand out in the world of Python programming. Vscode shines with its remarkable speed and flexibility. It typically launches very quickly and maintains a low memory footprint, often using less than 300 megabytes of RAM. This makes it an excellent choice for those with less powerful machines or when you need to make quick code changes. Its extensive extension ecosystem allows you to tailor it precisely to your needs, supporting not just Python, but many other programming languages, making it incredibly versatile. Pycharm, on the other hand, is a powerhouse specifically designed for Python. It offers unparalleled Python-specific intelligence, including a highly advanced debugger and sophisticated refactoring capabilities. Pycharm seamlessly integrates with virtual environments and provides robust support for popular web frameworks such as Django and Flask. Its professional edition further extends its capabilities with built-in database tools and comprehensive support for scientific computing, making it ideal for complex, large-scale Python projects. So, which one is better? If you prioritize a lightweight, highly customizable editor that handles multiple languages efficiently, Vscode is likely your best bet. However, if you're primarily focused on Python and need a comprehensive, out-of-the-box solution with deep language integration and advanced features, Pycharm is often the superior choice. Ultimately, your decision should align with your project's specific needs, your computer's resources, and your personal coding style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.